Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, regular Sudoku, Sudoku Medium in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, June the 2nd, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus left, medium Sudoku, and I've solved this one in a minute ago, and a Killer Sudoku, Sudoku mix. But first, we will solve this this Sudoku medium, and this one will be a number 2882. 2882. Wow, what a combination. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, 27 is a 1 star. And a 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, so let's get started. I see here 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. All right. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. All right. This column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. All right. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. We see a 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. All right. Then 7. Let me see. 4, 4. 9, 9. 4, 4, 9, 9, 9. Yes, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. All right. Then, yeah, 4, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. All right. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, and no 7 there. 7 should be there. All right. Now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the 4? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for the number 9. 1 box left in that row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. All right. All right. Can I use the 7? Yeah, 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. All right. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 2, I believe. Yes, 8 and 2 are missing. 8 and 2. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the middle column, the 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 6. All right. Then. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Let me think. 3 and the 1 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 1. 6 should be there. 6, 1 and the 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Well, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 and a 6. All right. And the 9 is missing. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1 and a 6 are left in this big square. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. All right, 2 numbers left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. All right, 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. All right. All right, one number left in the last column for the number 1. All right, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square. Now, first we have the 8 and the 9. The second pair should be the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in the second column for the number 3. Yes, 3, the 1 and the 3. Can you remember? All right. And now, 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. How about the second row? The numbers 6. Yes, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. The 6 should be here. And, oh, we have an 8 there. So it must be the 7, yes. No, 7 we have. Haha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Yes, 6 and a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 9 and the 5. We see here the 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. I've told you earlier, faster than 50 minutes. So definitely a 1 star. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku. A Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku. Prepare for this one. Only 2 given numbers. See you then. Bye bye for now.